Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up a mega box of Panini Zenith 2024 football. It does say you get a autograph or memorabilia card in each box. Let's hope we can do that. Get the auto. Usually you get a relic. I've never opened Zenith football cards before. Hopefully it's interesting. Here's the packs. You can get shields out of here, out of these mega boxes. Let's get a nice little shield. Joe Milton rookie card. That's a nice one. Xavier Worthy on the chrome. J.J. McCarthy. Another chrome card. Worthy. Not the best looking cards. They look pretty old school. But 2 quarterbacks out the first pack. We'll take that. Alright, we see a little color coming up. Darius Slayton on the red, not numbered. It says no huddle. And this is the green, Bo Jackson. That one again, not numbered. Jared Goff. Jonathan Brooks, Manning, Urlacher, Rogers, Gibbs. Patty Mahomes, little Bucky Irving, another Patty Mahomes. Boomer Esiason on the back. All right, come on, Jaden Daniels. Will Shipley on the green. Not numbered, but rookie card. All right, we got 2 packs left. Still looking for the auto or the relic. Looks like it's going to be in that last pack if it's not in this one. Devin Leary, quarterback, rookie card. CJ Stroud, Jalen Hurts. Oh, we did get an auto. Javon Baker on the green auto. I'll take it. Rookie. Last pack. Appreciate you watching. And that's going to do it. Thank you for watching.